Welcome back, YouTube, to another video here on my Dodge Ram. We got hood struts because the hood smashed me in the head. It didn't want to stay up anymore. So I'm going to show you how to put these things on step by step and the part numbers and all that. Here's the part number. I got these from AutoZone 95980 Mighty Lift. So if you're going to get a different brand, you can use that to cross-reference. Here's the hood strut. You have one on each side in the corners. You're going to take a flathead. There's a little groove here. And you're going to twist it to get this clip loose, like so. And then all you're going to do is pull it out. And then you're going to do the same thing on the top side and then pull this thing out and throw it in the trash. To put the new one back on, all you're going to do is line up the opening and push. And it will automatically lock it. Then the bottom, if it does not line up, make sure to spin it clockwise so that you won't unscrew, because these are just threaded on. And if you turn this counterclockwise trying to line it up with this, you'll unscrew and make it loose. So always turn clockwise. And then boom, see how easy that was? Do that thing to both sides. Now the hood stays up by itself, and it should also, if you pull it down, go up by itself. That's how you know your hood struts are good. So thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Till next time, wrench on.